When it comes to finding an RV to fit you and your RV family needs, it's hard not to like the encompassing line of RVs built by Forest River. Now, one of their flagship brands is the Salem line, consisting of conventional travel trailers from models designed for the camping couple to very large models prepped and ready for the whole family. So say you step inside a Forest River Salem, and what do you see first? Well, right away you're going to see the kitchen. Everyone gravitates to the kitchen, and for good reason. Once you take a step or two on the beautiful herringbone pattern luxury vinyl floor, you'll find a large sink embedded in a seamless countertop, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and an 11 cubic foot frost-free 12-volt fridge. Now, if you want frost, it'll cost you, because frost ain't free, baby. I'll be here all week. Okay, how about a little comfort? Stay cool with a 13,500 BTU AC, or opt for the larger 15,000 BTU AC if you wish. To keep warm, use the built-in electric fireplace that sits below the entertainment center. The entertainment center has a 2-zone residential sound bar. For further entertainment options, you'll get tablet-compatible USB ports in the bedroom and bunk area. Now, across from the entertainment center, you'll lounge in upgraded designer furniture with stow-and-go storage within the bed, dinette, and sofa. Now, most Salem models will also come with the Versa Lounge, a fantastic flip-over center section to create a full-size sofa or an expansive dining area. In the bathroom, you'll find a residential-inspired bathroom vanity and some extra headroom with the skylight in the shower. Now, natural light abounds in the Salem models with a slide out. Within the slide, you'll get an extra large panoramic window. The main living area lights have a dimmer switch, and bedroom windows have a cloth roller shade. To enhance your sleep, you'll get an evergreen mattress. In the Salem models with bunks, the bunks even come with a unique chalkboard on their bottom sides, all of which have "Clean your room" written on them. Now, obviously, I'm kidding about that, but to be honest, I'd probably write it if the Salem were mine. Now, the Salem exterior has a ton of great features. We continue with that chalkboard theme, clean your room, for a second time, as the 30 by 20 smooth fiberglass side baggage doors have magnetic latches. They also have a dry erase board capability in case you need to, I don't know, draw a quick map or solve a calculus equation. Odds are it'll be the former. The baggage doors are your entry into the pass-through storage. Convenience, just in the simple method of entry, is found on the Salem. All get the upgraded door pull, and most have the MORryde step above triple steps for the main entry. On the exterior, you'll also get a little bit of power. A power tongue jack for tow setup, power awning with adjustable legs, solar package with roof mount prep, and power in entertainment. Along with the exterior speakers, you'll find the cable/antenna hookup sits on the entry side, and you can get the King OmniGo HD television antenna prepped for King Wi-Fi extender, King LTE cell booster, and King satellite antennas. Features that you can't readily see but are a huge asset are the black tank flush and heated and enclosed accessibelly with removable underbelly panels. Now, before I hit some select Salem floor plans, I want to let you know that on average, Salem models are about 36 feet in length and have an unloaded weight of around 7,500 pounds. When you look at RV floor plans, they generally fall into two categories: those that are designed for families and those that are centered more around the camp couple. Now today, I'm going to highlight a couple family-focused Salem bunkhouse first. The 26 D-Bud. It can sleep up to 9. It's got double over double bunks in the rear, a large slide out with the amazing Versa Lounge, entertainment center with fireplace, and a pair of pantries, one of them a walk-in. You'll also get the outdoor kitchen. Now the 29 V-Bud can sleep 9, and there's Versa everywhere a Versa bunk, a Versa Queen, and a Versa Lounge, as well as a Versa Chris. Just kidding. You'll also find a walk-in pantry, entertainment center with a fireplace, outdoor kitchen, and a spice rack right there above the microwave. The Salem 32 BHDS sleeps 9, has a private bunk room with a Versa Queen in a slide, a Versa Lounge in the large slide, the entertainment center with fireplace, outside kitchen, and the bathroom has direct access for the exterior for those quick escapes. For camping couples, a nice Salem to look into is the 27RE. A pair of massive opposing slide-outs allows room for a kitchen island. A nice pair of cozy recliners sit against the back wall, and the master bedroom is spacious and has a walk-in closet. The 27RE can sleep 4. Now, for those that like to cook, check out the Salem 27RK. The kitchen covers the entire rear wall and has a ton of counter space crawling up the campsite. You'll get a full-length pantry, convenient spice rack, and oversized fridge. A pair of recliners face the Versa Lounge, ideal for camp conversation. The 27RK can sleep up to 4. So, when you're thinking about getting a larger travel trailer with all the features you love and more, take a look into the Forest River Salem line of conventional travel trailers. I'm pretty sure that you're going to find one to love. And by the way, happy camping.